dumpling. She's a little bit shy. Kunin mo na yung dumpling mo. Yellow. Oh, yellow. Yellow is a bright color.
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna get this these three color. This purple and blue and this green. He said squishy dumplings.
I just wish we get the purple. I think the purple is their dumpling. Am I right?
Hindi. Ewan ko. May galaxy daw may galaxy daw eh. I think we're gonna get. Wait lang. Hindi. Kasi wag mo munang titingnan. We're gonna I think we're gonna get color white. I want color white. What about,
ASMR.
what about you?
Color yellow. As always.
Okay. Ako na magaganon or ikaw? Sige, pikit na lang tayo dalawa. Ikaw, 3. Pikit ka!
Pikit ako.
Ito ka, para makita nila. Ayan, ganyan mo, para ayan. 3. Don't pick. We're gonna do that. Go. Ihangat mo, dahan-dahan, gano'n. Buti hindi ko nakita yung naman. 3, 2, 1, go. What do we get? Oh my God! It's color purple! Hey, wag mong gaganyanin, baka masira. Hala. I thought we're gonna get color white or something. Wait, look, guys! I think they forgot the face. It's really a fake dumpling. It's obviously a fake dumpling. Hey, what is this? Yo, what is that? Oh, what's that? I think that's a mark. Hey, I think it's a mark. Because you like this eh. I don't know. Maybe they just like, because it's a fake dumpling, right?
It's not.
It's yes.
Hindi,
They only have galaxy. They only have galaxy.
Niyan ko lang binuksan, diba?
Kaya nga, pero baka kasi na left ng mark yung nagtitinda. Ano lang to eh. Mga dun, galaxy.
And guys, we're gonna buy 3 real dumplings. And we're gonna put it in my mom's cart. My mom said, "Girl, we're gonna buy some dumplings. It's gonna be free."
I don't think if they're gonna buy. And we're gonna unbox.
Unbox 3 dumplings in a day.
Yeah.
Is
it real?
What?
Is it real ba yun?
Yeah.
Uy!
It farted, not me.
Hey, don't do like that. I'm scared.